Yeah, hi, my name is Michael Ferns and I'm the chairman of the Goa Citizens Welfare Trust. Today, once again, we are in Chandor, where the famous Mr. Benny and his wife Sita, okay, these people are, believe me, lifesavers. There's a lot to talk about them, and sir, I would like to, honestly speaking, I would like to thank you, not only for your the daring that you have in you, okay, but also for I heard that you have been assisting a lot of people in your village, okay, and this is the kind of people that we actually need in our society. Well, today we are here at Benny's place once again because, as you all already know, we had Benny had already trapped 2 leopards by himself, okay, without the help of the cage,
not with the forest department.
Yeah, not with the forest department.
Definitely not.
Okay, and now after Benny is successfully catching 2 of the leopards, we got the attention of the forest department. They have put up a cage now. Okay, after insisting a lot. Benny,
it's not because of they have put it. It's because they have put it because of you came and put that in on the Facebook, and that's the reason they came the next day.
Okay.
It was 15th of August. It was a holiday, and they told me, oh, they got an approval today. That day was a holiday, and they came with a cage in the night and they laid it over.
Well, over here we are basically it is for us. It's no joke. Okay. We may be laughing and smiling about these things. It's only because of the success that that Benny and his wife, by putting themselves in danger, okay, that we have managed to catch 2 leopards. Okay, so we can still smile about it. But the factual situation is there is terror in this village. Okay, and how many of Benny's can be over there? Okay, to protect the entire village over here. Like I said, it is very, very important for the government to take this in a very serious manner. Mr. Benny, what do you think? Ma'am, what do you think, Sita? Do you think that that a fence would sort out this problem?
Yeah, what I would think is where the hills are down, if they protect the whole area with the fence,
yes,
then that animal won't come down.
Correct.
Because this is a village where we live. This is a residential area.
It's a residential area, exactly.
And we never had this problem all these years.
Okay.
It only started now with us. At least it started with. For a year.
But why do you think the leopards are now coming towards the residential area when there is a forest area that side, like the hills and all that? Why are they finding their way down here?
I really don't know.
Is it because of scarcity of food maybe over there and they are finding their way into...
Could be that's the reason.
Yeah? That could be one of the reasons. Benny, you were also telling me that there is a beautiful lake out there which is in between the residential area and the forest.
Yeah.
The
next to the hillside there is a lake.
So if that
lake needs to be developed,
okay,
the government can take up and develop that lake,
okay,
which we can use for tourism purpose,
okay,
and also develop put the fence.
I don't think any of the government people or the tourism people has come and see that lake. It's really beautiful.
Well, this is really bad news for us because the villagers over here, like Benny, okay, they state that just down near the hills over there where the leopards usually come from, okay, they have a beautiful lake over there, and like he says, he feels that even the government people must be not even knowing about this beautiful place which could be used for tourism. Okay, anyway, the need of the hour, let us stick to what we need to stress on, where the government has to on urgent basis put up the fence before a life is lost. Jai Hind.
And another thing, what I would like to highlight is, after trapping the 2 leopards, and after laying the trap, the other day, 3 days back, the forest officials came just for a visit. Okay. They usually come now to check whether we have any problem and all to check.
Yes.
And when they came around 9 o'clock in the evening, he came for a drive up in my property. And he was going back, and I was just talking to him. And I happened to put a torch behind the car. Yeah. And I saw the leopard.
Now recently?
Yes, recently, 3 days back.
So,
and then I immediately told them there's a leopard. So they came running out of the car with my husband. And this is exactly the spot here where the leopard jumped.
From here? The leopard jumped from here?
From here.
And the house is just there?
Yeah, the house is just there.
Okay, and where were you standing?
I was standing at the house.
At the house. And you flashed the torch?
I flashed the torch this side.
Okay, and you saw the leopard
jump over. I saw the leopard
over.
walking here.
Okay.
When I put the torch, he jumped here.
I see.
The forest officials were at my house.
Okay.
So they came running. And it's a very good... saw the leopard.
Okay, so the forest department themselves saw a leopard, okay, on the move, all right. This time not caught by Mr. Benny, all right. But I am sure that Mr. Benny is not far from trapping this leopard too and handing it over to its officials.
Yeah, but
okay?
I really don't want to trap them and take them somewhere else if they want to stay in their own places.
Yes.
The government, I would request the government people and this to fence the forest area.
Yes.
If they want to save leopards or tigers, whatever it is.
Including human beings.
Yeah, and leave the civilians area free. So that they don't enter
from any kind of danger. Yeah, very true. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank one of our forest department officials, Mr. Julio, okay, and his team, because the minute they knew that yes, that the news of there are wild animals over here, they have taken action. They have set up the cages over here, okay, and they have also kept the people in the nights who have been monitoring this area. Okay, so yes, thank you to the good job done by the forest department too. And I hope
you should know, Michael, that we love leopards.
Yes,
because my wife is wearing a leopard skin.
You see?
Yeah. So much we love leopards. Yeah. So we also love to save leopards.
Yes,
so
we have to save leopards. It's no fault of the animal. They are beautiful animals, and we do not want to see that they are harmed. But even when they are trapped, okay, it is handed over to the officials and they are left in the wild. So thank you, and once again,
also thank you so much, Michael, for all the help.
Mr. Julio, you are a hero. Okay, you are a hero, and your wife, and thank you so much for looking after the village and the people of your village
too. Thank you also.
Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind. How many minutes?